welcome back. So today I'm so excited. I'll be doing an unboxing video of the snack flavor box, but this one is different. This is the deluxe one. So this one has, I'm a little paper, my little cheat sheet. This one has 10 to 14 snacks in it, and I'm gonna do like a quick little. Just gonna pick out the box and throw it back in there. So, the first one, which is really big, oh, here. Ooh. So much stuff in there. Anyways, so this one is the Sun Chip, and it's the spicy flavor. I'm gonna mess these names up. Pogoi Gold. It's like, it says bored, need something to snack on. Why not give this puffy corn snap candle a try? They look kind of like black eyed peas. Oh, this is mini veggie crackers. I'm impressed. Oh my god, they gave me ramen, right? Right? The feast guksu. I guess it won't be ramen. Guksu cup noodle. This is a Ghana mild chocolate. I don't think anything has almonds in it this time because I'm allergic to almonds, so I can eat everything while I watch my K-dramas. This one is Lady Chewing Gum. I feel bad. I'm not really saying these names right. I'm so sorry. This one is Tear and Eat Sour Jelly. So it's like those Twizzlers that you could, a long time ago they had these Twizzlers you can peel and eat. So I guess that's what this is. Ooh, this is Grunky Creamy Cocoa Bar. Right? Yeah. It's a creamy, so it's a milk chocolate bar. Like I said, I'm impressed that none of this stuff has almond. Oh, this looks so cute. It's like little ice cream cones. These look like those little, those circles in there. It looks like the little bears I've seen. I don't know what they're called. But yeah, it's like chocolate in the middle. And this is, if I can find it, Kanko Sweet Milk. Anyways, then this is the Dig It. That's a sandwich milk cream, like a little cookie. Yeah, I'm gonna eat these today. This is honey butter chip. Nothing really self-explanatory about that one. This is peach gummies. My gummy peach flavor, so there's different flavors. I like how they gave me so much big stuff. Then this is the push-up. No, this is not the push-up. This is the milk chocolate banana kick. So it's like chocolate and banana flavored corn chip, kind of, I think. I don't know. We'll find that out. And then our last one is what we had last time. It was the pizza one. It's like ramen, but you don't have to cook it. You put it in like the seasoning pack in there. You like crunch it up and then you shake it. And you just eat like a potato chip. I really like this. So that's my empty quick video unboxing, and I can't wait to watch my K-drama since a lot are coming out this year. I'm so excited. And C-dramas. I'm addicted to C-dramas as well. But thank you guys for watching this super quick unboxing video. See you guys later. Bye.